In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Steam games to another hard drive. Whether you're looking to free up space or simply optimize your gaming setup, transferring your games can be a smart move. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open your Steam client and, at the top left corner of the window, you'll see Steam. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will bring up a new window with various tabs on the left-hand side. We'll need to focus on the Downloads section here. So, go ahead and click on Downloads. This area controls all your game downloads and file locations. Now, look towards the middle of the window and find the Steam Library Folders button. Clicking this will open another window where you can see all your current storage locations for Steam games. To add a new location on your hard drive, simply click Add Library Folder. This action will open a browser window for you to navigate through your directories. Just find the desired hard drive or folder where you want to relocate your games, select it, and then hit Select. This creates a new location where Steam can store games. With a new storage space set up, let's move those games. Head back to your main Steam window and select Library to see your list of games. Find the game you want to transfer and right-click on it. A context menu will appear, and you need to choose Properties. A new window will pop up, and from here, find and click on the Local Files tab. Now you should see an option that says Move Install Folder. Click on this, and a new window with a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, choose the new library location that you created earlier, and then hit Move Folder. This will start the transfer process. It may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drives. While this is happening, let's talk about why it's beneficial to move your Steam games around. It helps balance the load between your drives, improving performance, and with careful planning, it can also extend the lifespan of your drives by preventing any single drive from being overworked. Once the transfer is complete, you can close all these windows and get back to playing right from where you left off, but now with better storage management. Thanks for following along. You've successfully moved a game from one hard drive to another without re-downloading. Keep experimenting and finding what works best for you, and happy gaming!